Good morning, everyone. So, in yesterday's session, I mean, in the previous session, it was just a introduction to the ERP and SAP was covered. So, just to summarize, ERP is nothing but a software which is used to run my organization, and SAP is one of the product of it. So, which is more famous. Okay, so then we just spoke about the modules what we have in SAP. So if you just see on this diagram, so this is my ERP. Okay, and ERP, so we have two modules. One is the technical module and another one is the functional module. So in technical module we have basis and the ABAP, and in functional we have all the functional modules: HR, SD, MM, CRM, etc. Okay, so now as I said, why SAP is so successful. So what are the advantages? So as I said, ERP has released many products, okay, like peoples of JD Edwards, SAP, etc. Okay, so among those products, why everyone has chosen SAP? So why it made it so successful? So if I just speak about advantages of SAP, so one would be the 24 bar 7 support. So this is so 124 bar 7 support globally. Then the security. So everyone, so whenever a customer is buying any product, so he'll be checking what all the features I get, what all the services I get when I use these products. So SAP has provided the list which I am showing, right? So all these features. So majority among them is like support, so globally 24 bar 7, security, so that thing, and then user friendly. So user friendly, so like if you're whenever I'm using any website, so the all the options and everything, it should be a user friendly. Okay, it is nothing like something research or something like robotics I do, right? So that shouldn't be the case. So in such case, the I'll be getting irritated. So it is like a user friendly product where everyone can use. So support 24 bar 7 support, security, user friendly, and so it supports all the databases which are available in the market. It supports all databases available in the market. So let me say I have without database my SAP can't run. So if my company organization is using Oracle database, so Oracle database, so okay, now SAP supports Oracle database. If the organization X, okay, uses Sybase, okay, then SAP also supports Sybase. If my organization or organization Z is using HANA database, SAP also supports the HANA database. So SAP supports all the databases which are available in the market. Okay, it's not only specific to a single database. So these are like I just highlighted few important what are the advantages and why it is so successful. So I just highlighted few things. Okay, now this is thing. So yesterday I just told you basis. So what is the abbreviation of basis? So I just said, okay, so yeah, business application software integrated solution. Software integration solution. So this is the abbreviation for the basis. So we just remember what's a basis, that's it. So like if you just want to remember, it can be remembered. So full form of basis is business application software integrated solution. So ERP, as I said, it's an enterprise resource planning SAP system application product in data processing. Okay, so now, so I just said what are the advantages of SAP in today's session. So now SAP has its own database which is known as HANA database. So SAP has its own database that is called as HANA, though it supports the other databases like Oracle, then my MS SQL, everything, Sybase, everything. Okay, so though now it has its own database which is known as HANA. Okay, now coming to the history of the SAP. So I just covered the advantages of SAP, what is the basis abbreviation. So now if I just speak about the history of, it is just an introduction theory type of things, it would be on the introduction. So history of SAP. So it was started by five IBM employees, okay, in 1972. So ex IBM employees, ex IBM. So it was started in the year 1972 by ex IBM employees. Okay, so first system which was called as R1 real time system. Okay, real time system. R1 where R stands for the real time. So in 1972, first R1 R1 system was introduced. Then in 1980, so we had an R2. Okay, so R2 which is called as a server architecture. Okay, then again in 1990, okay, we just had an R3. Now this is called as a client server architecture. So where R stands for the real time. So I'll just explain you what is the server and client server architecture. So those things. Okay. Hmm. So this is the history of the SAP. So it was started by five IBM employees in 1972. The first one was the R1, then we had an R2, and then we had an R3. Now, okay. So then what all the things SAP supports? As I said, SAP supports all the database. Okay. Now what is the operating system? So if you just see this operating system, so we had Linux, Unix, Windows, Solaris. So okay, so we can use SAP on the Linux environment or on the Windows environment. So majority of the uh, systems or the organizations uses Linux environment, and in few organizations they use the Windows platform as well. So they can my SAP is installed on the Windows flavor as well. Okay. So that's it for today. It will be a just like 2 to 4 short video. I'll just